Samsung is gearing up for the highly anticipated launch of the Galaxy S24 series, and it's been a hot topic of discussion. Contrary to earlier speculation about satellite connectivity in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it appears that this feature might not be included after all. This decision sets it apart from the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which had similar rumors. The big Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event is expected to take place in mid-January, and tech enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting the unveiling of three new models: the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and the S24 Ultra. Interestingly, the S24 Ultra might hit the market sooner than expected, which could explain the absence of satellite connectivity, a feature that many had hoped for, especially after it was missing in the S23 Ultra. The S24 Ultra is anticipated to come with exciting upgrades, including a titanium frame, a flat display, a more powerful CPU, and an improved 50-megapixels 5x telephoto camera. The S24 and S24 Plus are expected to be more budget-friendly, while the S24 Ultra is likely to be priced higher than its predecessor. Price estimates start at €899 for the S24, with the S24 Plus and Ultra commanding higher price points. There's even talk of a 1TB version, although the price for that remains a mystery. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest tech news.